25 basis point. Now, what this means is that loans will be cheaper. Repo rate now are at 6.25%. So, the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee, of course, which was on a 3-day meeting, has decided key rates and expectations were that it would change its stance to neutral on low inflation. But this is certainly what has happened today has come as a good news for home buyers, for home owners. The repo rate has been cut by 25 basis points. Now, what this means, simply put, for you and me is that loans will be cheaper now. Shweta, of course, joining us from the newsroom on that big story. Shweta, certainly cheer for home buyers, home owners. The loans, as far as they are concerned, are going to be cheaper as RBI has cut repo rates by 25 basis points.
Absolutely. Cheers in the markets as well as for people and commoners like you and me, as home loans, car loans and all kind of loans, Meenakshi, are expected to get cheaper. Remember, RBI Monetary Policy has cut repo rates by 25 basis points from 6.5 to 6.25. Not just that, the stance of the RBI has also changed, given that inflation has been relatively low in the month of December, lower than the expectation, and now the stance of RBI stands at neutral as compared to hawkish. Remember, the stance was changed in last monetary policy review. The stance has been now changed back to neutral. So cheers coming in there from RBI Monetary Policy as it concludes its 3-day meeting.
And the repo rate, Shweta, currently stands at 6.50. What's the final or the repo rate which has been decided by the MPI?
So from 6.5, the repo rate now stands at 6.25. There's been a cut of 25 basis point, which is a substantial cut. If it's translated into lower home loan rates, lower interest rates, we will of course have to wait and watch out for whether banks are going to reciprocate and pass on that benefit to last end consumers like you and I, Meenakshi. But RBI so far has made it clear that the repo rate now remains changed from 6.5% to 6.25%.
So the repo rate reduced by 25 basis point. Current repo rate, of course, going down means good news for home buyers, as this literally translates into your home loans getting cheaper. Right, Shweta, thank you for joining us with all those details. On that note, it's a wrap on this bulletin. News and updates on the other side.